Hey guys, welcome back to Kuma Reviews. We're taking a look at Iron Factory's Ex-55 Surfing Arrow. So this is their homage to the Transformers G1 Minibot Sea Spray, measurement-wise. Alright, this is a 4-inch scale class, and he's on the smaller side of it. So he, to the head, is about 3¼ inches tall. So, to get a couple more bots, this is their City Commander, it's whatever their prowl was named. Can't even see. I've got an Optimus Prime, but he's armored up. So let's do, I think it's called Cygnus, their Jetfire. Okay. So yeah, just so you see how he scales with a couple of Iron Factory bots, I think Prowl is going to actually be the one that's more regular size. He's about 4 inches. So, just so you guys can get an idea what to expect. Just to get him on a turnstile. Give you guys a roundabout there. Alright, he does have ab crunch, so it separates from that back plate there. It doesn't naturally just stick out like that. Okay. And in terms of accessories, he's got his harpoon type gun and a couple of fists. Looking back at him, alright, going over articulation here. Alright, so we went over the ab crunch. Again, a lot of that closes back up better in the back. His back just bends to straight, but that's the extent of his ab crunch right there. Alright. Now his head, he's got those, because he turns into kind of like a pontoon boat thingy, a small one. So maneuvering his head's a little bit difficult. My fingers are bigger. So yeah, it is on a ball joint, so we'll just go with that. He can move side to side, but I'm not going to sit here and get frustrated on camera a lot with it. I wish that there was a way to... Do these go back? Let me see. If they do, they're just really hard. So, okay. Those do go back. This just popped off the ball joint there. We'll put that back. All right. So if you want to position his head, get those back. And then... All right. So it does have rock, upward, downward, and 360. All right. And the detailing on this, too, is really nice. The facial details. Shoulders. All right. No butterfly. Can move up and down a little bit. I'm sure that's due to the transformation, which I haven't done yet. All right, double jointed elbows. Bicep swivel. All right, it does have bicep swivel. There we go. Just gotta get that flap out of the way. And that's cool that these actually move. All right, we went over the ab crunch. 360. In terms of ab swivel. All right, outwards, forwards, get the knee straight, backwards, okay, knee bend, all right, double joint, thigh swivel, 360, and I'm sure this is due to the transformation, but it's got that hinge there. All right, so ankle tilt, lots of inward ankle tilt, outward too, decent, all right. All right, and I'm going by the front of the foot there. That goes way forward, or I mean way backwards, good amount forward. And then the heel goes in and out too. No tilt on the heel. Okay, you guys saw the hands pop off at the ball joint, so you know how they change out. Just in terms of getting them into a pose here. All right. There's that. See if we can't get one. The holes. Okay. Yeah. Overall, pretty good stuff. Let's take a look at the alt mode. Okay, and here's its alt mode. I think it's a neat take. Cybertronian, but blatantly that pontoon style boat. Yeah. I saw some people on TFW going back and forth about the fact that his fists are still visible in alt mode. I mean, they're tucked in and stuff like that. Maybe I'm just too passive about it, but I don't really see the big deal on that one. You know, let's brighten it up a little bit. Make sure we're focused, but no rolling wheels or anything like that. Pretty simplistic. I mean, it has its weapon storage, and yeah, just for the sake of comparing it to a couple of other alt modes, I guess. Sunstreaker, Wheeljack. I guess that's exhaust, not Wheeljack, but yeah. Oh, got to zoom out. Alright, darken it some. Yeah, there we go. Again, this has been Iron Factory's Ex-55 Surfing Arrow, their homage to Sea Spray. Pretty solid figure. Fun, really articulated. I love the aesthetic. This has to be one of my favorite takes on any character from him, period. Aesthetically, it is just tops. I can't say highly recommend it because it's pretty par for the course in terms of like Iron Factory and what they bring. If you like Iron Factory products, you'll love this one. But if not, I don't think this is one that I would recommend that's just gonna put people over the moon in terms of Iron Factory. I'd probably do like the Catastrophe Bruticus combined or like those kinds of things. But it's a solid piece, great looking. I really don't see any faults with it, man. Even though like it's not a 10 out of 10, just knock me out of the park, I have no complaints. It's really good. But anyway, this has been another Kuma Style review. Check out the written article and gallery on the new kumastyle.com going up soon. I hope today, if my web host can actually get everything migrated over. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay safe, and I'll see you next review.